On this episode, I'm going to be showing you how you can park your car inside your garage without having to go in and out of your car just to check if it's cleared, and so you can prevent your garage door from hitting the back of your car. I got a few solutions. Stay tuned. Hey there friends, welcome to Fix This House. If you're new to the channel, consider pressing that subscribe and notification bell so you can always be in tune on DIYs, how-to videos, and product reviews that I do within this channel. So do you commonly have this issue where you park your car inside your garage and you always try to guesstimate what is the right distance so that you can clear the garage door and prevent it from hitting the back of your car? Probably looking to add more space inside your garage because you park your car too much forward and you want to use that extra space for storage. Well, I got a solution for you, and this is also a fan suggested video. So whoever commented on my last video suggested this video, so thank you so much for ideas. Keep those ideas coming so I can make all these how-to DIY videos to help you guys. So throughout this whole video, I'm going to be introducing different products which I'm not sponsored. I bought this all with my own money, and these are different methods that you can try for yourself. So this first product that I want to show you is this motion sensor dual laser parking assistant. Now let me go show you the features before I show you how to install it and how it works. So in front you see two lasers that you can point in different directions depending on where the spot locations that you want. Here's your motion sensor. There's a port here where you can plug it into an outlet, and if you push and slide the back, you can also do a backup where you can put a 9-volt battery. You can do both as a backup battery in case this one goes out. Now if you're interested on this product and any products that I use within this video and the tools, I'll leave all the link on the description down below. Check those out. Plug has a very long cord that you can position anywhere on top of your garage, so that should be no issue. But let's go and let me show you how to install this up there on your garage ceiling. So the first thing you want to do is you want to park your car to your desired spot, the perfect spot that you think will save you the most space, and also where your garage door will clear with the smallest space so that you can maximize the amount of space you have for the front. So now you want to go look up to where your garage door opener is and find any spot around here that you think is the best spot for you. Again, each garage is different, so put it on the area. You have a long enough outlet cord, so it doesn't really matter, but for me, I'm just going to place it right around here. There's two ways that you can mount this. You can either use the provided double-sided tape to make it a lot easier for yourself, or you can use the provided hardware, which is some drywall anchors with some screws, and you can use that behind the mounting plate. So it's very easy. You can just mount up your mounting plate right there, screw it to the drywall anchors, and then you can just place this over, slide it, and it'll be locked in place like that. So for me, I want to make it easy. I'm just going to put double-sided tape. The car is right here. There's the sensor. So we're not using this side because this side is being used for storage and for a treadmill. So we're going to be using just one car. So the reason why there's two lasers is this is for the other car, and this one is for definitely that car. Take the power, and we're going to plug it right here. There we go. And you should see the laser working like so. This laser is not going to get used. I'm just going to tuck this away. This one, we follow the laser. So we're going to move the laser to the spot where you think is the very best when you park the car. So maybe probably on the edge of this AC vent right there on the edge. But it's totally up to you where you want to place that laser. So now every time that you park your car, you want to make sure that that laser is pointing to that air vent. So let's go test this out. Let's pretend we're pulling up to the garage. Now we're gonna go engage where that laser is pointing, and you see that laser traveling right there. So now we know where a spot where we can use as a marker so that every time that laser touches that spot, we are parked in the right place. So this next product that I want to show you is probably the easiest one to install, and it's called the parking target. This is made in the USA, and it comes with this hump right here, and it's a double-sided tape that you can just peel and stick to your garage floor. So it's very easy. Again, you want to park your car to your desired spot and look down right here. Take this, peel this, and place it underneath where your tire's gonna be. And that's it. So this will be staying in place, so every time that you park, you'll feel the bump, and you know that if you go over this bump, you've gone too far. Now another option that you can do instead of this, if you have a 2x4 at home, just cut it to 2-3 feet, maybe to the length of your car, and you can just place it underneath. And if you have any cement screws, you can just drill that right straight to the cement floor to keep it in place. And that's pretty much it. If you don't have any of those things at home, then just get one of this. It's pretty cheap. I'll leave the link on the description down below. Next product that I want to show you is pretty cool. It kind of acts like a traffic stoplight, and it's called the Striker Garage Parking Sensor. Now let me show you the function of this one. Your light, and you have your sensor right here. Now, there's two ways that you can power this on. Just like our first option with the laser motion censored one, is the same thing. You can either use some batteries. This one requires 4 AA's. Use this USB charger and plug it on right there, and plug it into power if you have an outlet nearby. For mounting, they use this Velcro type right here on the back. So maybe you're in my situation where there's a shelving right in front of this car. Or if you don't have this, maybe you can put your car all the way where there's a wall. But for me, I have this right in front of the car. So this is probably where I'm going to mount it, right where this leg is on this shelf. If you have this plugged into power, or once you install the battery, it's going to be turned on red like this. And you want to place the sensor all the way down here, and this have a parking little light right here, so in case you don't have a light in your garage, I'm going to place it right here, just right in front of the bumper distance. Stuck the sensor right here. Here's the bumper. Now position your car to where you want it parked. So this is about how far I want this clearance from the shelf to the bumper. It depends on you and what you want, but once you set your right distance, you go back up, and on this button, this is where it's gonna set the distance to that over there. So you want to do is press and hold this. Now it's set to that distance. So let's go back in the car. Let's go reverse. Let's see if it censors it. Oops, red, yellow, green. Let's go drive back again. Yellow, red. If you're interested on this, I'll leave the link on the description down below. Let me know what you think. Let's get to the final and last method. The final method that I got for you is this Perfect Stop. It's a soft foam hanging ball. This is by Genie. Pretty straightforward. You just hang this to the top of your ceiling, make it touch to the area where you want for your glass of your windshield, and that's pretty much where it is. Where it touches it, that's where it is. Again, another substitute for this, if you don't have one, and if you have a tennis ball, just attach a string to a tennis ball and do the same thing. It's the same concept. But if you don't have one, here's the one that's available for you. I'll leave the link on the description down below. It's by Genie. Very straightforward, easy, or use a tennis ball. So there you have it, friends. Those are some of the methods that you can save you some space in your garage and to prevent your car from getting damaged by your garage door going down. Let me know in the comment section down below which product you thought was the best, which one you already have. Again, I'm not sponsored by any of the products in this video. Leave it in the comment section down below and share your experiences with the community. Again, if you like any of the products that I use in this video, I'll leave all the links on the description down below. If you found this video super helpful, please hit that big thumbs up, press the subscribe notification bell, and I'll see you friends on the next video.